In order to install TraderClaw, click on the wizard. You need a Telegram bot, LLM key API, and a Linux VPS. We are using Hostinger. You need to first create an account. Then you click here on VPS. Set up VPS. Choose your server location. Use Ubuntu and make sure you use the latest LTS version. Then you set a password for your server. This is going to be used to access your server. You can choose the malware scanner. We recommend using the KVM2 with 8 GB of RAM. Then you proceed with the payment method. Use whatever payment method you want. And then just wait for your VPS server to set up. You click on Manage VPS. You skip that. You wait quickly until your VPS is ready. Now that your VPS is ready, you are ready to proceed with the next step. You open your terminal. You copy your command, and you enter the SSH route command. You type in yes. You enter your password. And now you're connected that you see your username change to root. And back to the docs and continue with the steps in there. This we already did. And now you need to install Node.js using these commands. You copy them, paste them, and let it run. Now you use the next one to check the version to see if the command actually worked. You see, the version is correct. Now you install TraderClaw. This is done. You check the version. Very good. The version is 1.0.61. That's the version you want. Now you copy and paste the next command to check the system. Now you do the next one. And you wait until this one is done. This one might take a while, so be patient. Now you install the wizard. You copy this domain and insert it into your browser. Most of the time, it won't work. First try, so we need to do a little workaround. You need to first change this command. You need to make sure to add root at your IP address to it. You copy that. You close and reopen the terminal. You add this command, press enter and enter your password. And now you can try again by copying this, adding it into your browser, and now the wizard works. You now choose your LLM provider. We are using Anthropic. You can choose your model that you want to use. You can also use OpenAI, XAI, anything else. But now you need the LLM key. The LLM key for OpenAI or Anthropic you can find on platform.claude.com. So you make an account there. We already did that. Then you go to Manage API Keys and you create a key. You just give your key a name, then you copy the key and you enter it in here. The X is not necessary right now. We can do this later. Now you need to connect your bot with your Telegram. So what you do is you go to Telegram, you type in botfather and you click Start. You type in /newbot, you give it a name, and now you give it a username. Make sure the username always ends in _bot. Then you copy and enter the API, and then you can start installation. This also might take a while. Don't worry, just wait and be patient. Now you see status change to running. And now you're prompted to do something. Action required. Open Tailscale in your browser. You click on that link. You connect your Google account or whatever account you want to connect to make an account, and then you connect the Tailscale account to TraderClaw. And now you wait again. Now that you're done, it asks you to copy these prompts, but before that you close the terminal. You can go back to the wizard. And this is the command that it asks you to enter from the wizard. So you open your terminal again. You connect with your server and your password. Copy this, enter. Here you type in no, so N. Then you need to store your API key here. Make sure you store it somewhere, and then you confirm that you stored it. You give your wallet a name. Now you back up your private key, very important, so you can access the funds or add your wallet to Phantom if you want to have it somewhere else, not just in the TraderClaw bot. Here you can click enter, or you add your Telegram ID. And now you just restart OpenClaw here. So these 2 steps we did. Now you need to go into your Telegram bot and connect it. So you click on the first link in here. This is your bot. You click start, and now you copy the link or the command in the bottom. You paste it in. You can also add the dash dash, notify space, copy paste, enter. Now you're connected. You see my Telegram is popping up, and now we're basically set up. Before it starts doing trades, you need to first copy this system prompt, and now it's basically starting up. Now you need to ask your bot about the wallet so you can fund it. You can simply send SOL here. You copy the address, you go to wherever you have SOL, and you just charge it up. After you charged it up, you can let it know that it should have money, and it will confirm you. And now you can do whatever you want with your TraderClaw, and the bot starts making you money.